electronics. All about electronics.
When I pressing this button, on and off button, the camera one is the capturing the image very quickly. The LED light flash it and the capturing the image very quickly. I'll show you again. When I press the second app, second ESP32 cam board, I rotating the camera in the upper side and I just press it. LED flash blinking and camera is capturing the image.
This video is sponsored by the Next PCB. You just go to the Google and type nextpcb.com and open the first link. When you open the first link, the Next PCB site is open. See, is the Next PCB is the providing the very good quality of the PCB and is providing the different type of layer PCB. I mean the 2 layer, 4 layer. If you want to the any type of the layer, then is please visit this site and you upload your Gerber file in this site. When you upload your Gerber file, the all data comes in like this and you show the so many things. I mean you just change your PCB color, height, holes and all the things you change the very easily. All details is given in my video description, please go and check. Okay, let's go and see the component, which component I used in this project. I am using the only one component. His name is the ESP32 cam module. This is the ESP32 cam module. Circuit diagram. In circuit diagram is the two formats. First, when you uploading this code, your GPIO 0 pin is connected to the ground, and when your uploading is the complicate, then please remove your GPIO pin to the ground and you just given the external power supply is the 5 volt. Okay, let's go and create this mobile app. I will go and see how to design this app. I first open this my Blink app and I just create this image gallery. I just click this image gallery. See, the image gallery is the open in this I mean the display, and you resize you choose how much you want to this resize the window, then you resize this function and just click it and go to the pin setting and I just decide the virtual pin V1 and I just create this name is camera first and I just go back. Okay, and I want to this button also. When I press this button, then click this image and in show in the camera one window. Okay, I just create this button and just I name is button 1 and I decide the pin number is GPIO 14. Okay, if you want to choose the color, then you choose also the color. And I want to this second image, I mean this I used two ESP32 cam, that's why I use the second image gallery and I just resize this window and I just create this name is camera second and I just decide the pin number is virtual V2 pin and I just go back and I create this one switch, his name is button second and I just define the pin numbers is GPIO 15 and I just choose this color of the button. Okay, this is the total interfacing of this app, I mean the creating of this app. Okay, this is the only creating this app. Okay, I just creating this all this hardware, I mean I'm making this hardware. Okay, in this hardware I'm making the zero PCB. This is the programming zero PCB, ESP32 programming, ESP32 cam programming zero PCB. First I mount like this ESP32 cam and I also making another zero PCB. I placing the ESP32 cam like this.
Okay, this is the total hardware. I mean the I using the two ESP32 cam and 0 PCB, and I just using the DC jack. I just given the power supply is the 5 volt 1 ampere. This is the total hardware.
All this completed, and then let's go and see the working of this project, how this project is work.
ESP32 cam based wireless camera monitoring system. It is not only one. I'm monitoring the two ESP32 cam wireless camera. Only one app. Its name is the Blink app. I just creating the app, and I just show the images in the simultaneously. I mean the both ESP32 cam. Okay, I will show you the demo. First, I will explain the how to program this ESP32 cam. First, this is the ESP. I'm making this ESP32 programming board. First, I mount this ESP32 cam board like this. This is the mount. Okay, when I programming, then first I put this jumpers, because the GPI 0 pin is the grounded, and I put the USB programmer. Then I put the USB cable like this, and then I upload the code first to this ESP32 cam. This code is the uploading. Then I remove this ESP32 cam and I put another ESP32 cam, and just you edit this code. I will providing the code in my website. Please go and check, and very carefully see the instruction first. You just change your Wi-Fi name, password, and the token name, and just put the I just put the instruction. You just only read it and then you do it. Then I program into second ESP32 cam board. Okay, both ESP32 cam board is the programming. Then I remove the USB programmer, and then I given the power supply with the help of the charger. I given the power supply of the 5 volt, and I put this ESP32 cam like this, and I also given the power supply of the 5 volt 1 ampere. Okay, both ESP32 cam is the power supply is the on condition. First thing, then you remove this jumper wires, because if you not remove, then your ESP32 cam not connected to your internet. Then just I open this Blink app. This is the Blink app. Okay, when I press this on and off button, this is the camera 1 function. Wait, I show you. This is the camera 1 show function. When I press this on and off button, see the ESP32 cam capturing the images very quickly and sending to the ESP32 Blink app. Okay, I capturing the second image. When I press this on and off button, see the ESP32 cam blink this LED flash, and the capturing the image and sending to me in the Blink app. Wait, I show you again. See, it's very quickly sending the images. When I pressing the first camera, both camera I handle it in the only single app. I will demo a state of this project. First, the both ESP32 camera is connected to the internet, and I just handle the both ESP32 cam in single app. This app name is the Blink app, and I just creating the app. When I pressing this button, on and off button, the camera 1 is the capturing the image very quickly. The LED light flash it, and the capturing the image very quickly. I will show you again. Okay, when I press the second app, second ESP32 cam board, I rotating the camera in the upper side, and I just press it. LED flash blinking, and camera is capturing the image. See, both ESP32 cam working on the only the single app. And if you like this project, please hit the like button, and if you're new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notification first. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.